Hello students, मैं हूँ Delnaaz Irani and I have a special message from your favorite Chandru sir. Bhai, is the pressure of maths training you much? It is totally normal to have a feeling of stress and anxiety and parishani during these tough times. But I am confident that you have not forgotten your aims and your goals and that you will definitely achieve them. Remember students, it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to finally get your desired goal. I am sure that you will keep making your parents proud, your teachers proud, and of course yourself. Take care of yourself and your family. Once again, I, Delnaaz Irani, I wish you all the very best and would sincerely like to say all the best for all your future endeavors.